Can an anti-noise pillow help with snoring? Have you ever wondered if an anti-noise pillow can help with snoring? Let's take a closer look at how these pillows work and their potential benefits for sleep wellness. An anti-noise pillow, often referred to as an anti-snore pillow, is designed to improve head and neck positioning during sleep. This helps keep airways open, which can reduce snoring. These pillows come in various shapes, including contoured and wedge designs. They often use materials like memory foam to provide support and maintain proper alignment. When your head and neck are correctly positioned, it prevents the jaw and tongue from falling back, which is a common cause of snoring. One of the main features of anti-snore pillows is that they encourage side sleeping. Sleeping on your side can reduce airway compression and vibration, both of which contribute to snoring. Some pillows even gently elevate the head by a few inches. This elevation can help open the airways and reduce pressure in the throat. The contouring and support provided by memory foam or similar materials allow the pillow to adapt to your head and neck shape. This means it can maintain alignment throughout the night, which is essential for reducing snoring. Some advanced anti-snore pillows come equipped with sensors that detect snoring sounds. These pillows can gently adjust their position to prompt the sleeper to change posture without fully waking them up. This method, known as positional therapy, has shown effectiveness, especially for individuals with mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea, a condition often associated with snoring. However, it is essential to note that anti-snore pillows do not completely cure snoring. Snoring can have multiple causes, including obesity, alcohol consumption, nasal congestion, and sleep apnea. For severe cases, a medical evaluation may be necessary. Anti-snore pillows are most effective when used as part of a broader approach to sleep wellness, which includes good sleep hygiene and lifestyle changes. From a sleep wellness perspective, using an anti-snore pillow can improve sleep quality by reducing disruptions caused by snoring for both the snorer and their partner. Better airway alignment can lead to deeper, more restful sleep and improved alertness during the day. Adjusting to these pillows might take some time, especially for those used to sleeping on their backs, but the potential benefits for breathing and sleep health make them a practical tool for noise reduction and better sleep hygiene.